so I'm a little behind schedule. I'm picking up Jake and Jenna right now. We're heading to Westbrook Mall to go meet the rest of our teammates, and then we're gonna shoot on over to Illmotion, and people are gonna peep this crazy ass bumper. I don't know if they're gonna know what to do. They're gonna love it, they're gonna hate it. It's something different. It's great YouTube content because it was nuts. And you know what? It's time to bring it back. 2019, I'm bringing it back, guys. Sticker bomb. Well, we're down here at Illmotion, and it's actually quite a big turnout. We've got two of my faves.
Little road pirates, bro.
Little road pirates. I think the bumper actually went over pretty well. People are pretty excited. They got to scratch and sniff because that's around. And here's the team.